Hello everybody, welcome to the low power VLSI lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about the requirement of low power design. What is the need for low power design? The need for low power design is as the number of transistors in a chip are increasing, the number of devices on a chip is increasing, the power consumption is also increasing. On y-axis you can observe it is power density, that is watts per centimeter square, and on x-axis you can see the year of introduction of a particular processor. The processors are starting from the very first 4-bit processor 4004 to 8085, 8086, 386 to 86 Pentium processors are also mentioned here. If you can see the yellow color line, which is the graph, is increasing. It's increasing drastically as the number of transistors per chip are increasing. As the device count is increasing, the power consumption is also increasing. The power density is given here is 1 watt per centimeter square, 10 watt per centimeter square, and 100 watt per centimeter square, and 1000 watt, like that. And the Pentium processors, which are having many transistors on the onboard, are consuming a power which is almost equal to a nuclear reactor consumption. In terms of power density, the power density of a processor is equal to nuclear reactor. So it is highly essential that we should save the power. Saving the power is like saving the nation. So it is very much essential that the design engineers must aim their research to reduce the power consumption. Some processors are consuming enormously high power, which is more than 1000 watts per centimeter square, which is almost equal to the rocket nozzle. So it is very essential to have a low power design. The low power design requirements are rising because of these following reasons. First one is high speed of operation. All the ICs that we design, we are aiming to develop the ICs to have very high speed of operation. When very high speed of operation is required, you need to have large, very high rate of clock. So if the rate of clock is high, the functionality of the device will increase, and hence the power dissipation is also increasing. So we need a long battery life. And the second most point is greater device leakage currents. As the device leakage currents are increasing, because if there are very less number of devices, the leakage current will be obviously very low. When the number of devices per chip are increasing, that is device density is increasing, leakage power is also increasing. As power dissipation is increasing, the rate of failure is also increased, because most of the cases the devices are failing. The devices are failing because of the power consumption. Power consumption and power dissipation is taking place in the form of heat. So because of heat, there are many losses or damages happening in the IC technologies that can be given in a statement like, for every 10 degrees rise in temperature, roughly doubles the failure rate. This statement gives you the requirement and the need of low power design. If low power design is not made properly developed, the power consumption of the chips will increase, and hence the temperature, as the power consumption is increasing, the temperature, ambient temperature of the chip will increase, which leads to greater failure rate. So it is very important for the design engineers to have low power designs. Thank you.